Welcome to Lisbon, Portugal's coastal gem, where history, culture, and stunning landscapes blend seamlessly. Join us on a captivating journey through Lisbon's timeless landmarks, vibrant neighborhoods, and the experiences that make it a traveler's paradise. Our adventure begins at the magnificent Belem Tower, a sentinel of Portugal's maritime history. Explore the grandeur of the Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Feel the soul-stirring music of fado during a traditional performance. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of Alfama, Lisbon's oldest neighborhood. Climb aboard an iconic tram and journey through history as you wind through its narrow, picturesque lanes. Discover Lisbon's vibrant street art scene, where walls come alive with creativity. Explore the thriving arts district of LX Factory, a hub of innovation and culture. Indulge in Lisbon's culinary treasures, from pastry to copyright is the not-too-fresh seafood by the docks. As night falls, immerse yourself in the lively nightlife, where the city truly comes alive. Venture beyond Lisbon to the fairy tale palaces of Sintra, a UNESCO treasure. Relax on the golden beaches of Cascais, where the Atlantic meets Portuguese charm. As the sun sets over Lisbon's timeless skyline, the city's warm embrace invites you to explore its many facets. Hit the like button, share the beauty with fellow travelers, and subscribe for more enchanting travel content. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, an art lover, or simply seeking adventure, Lisbon welcomes you with open arms. Discover the magic, and let Lisbon's charm captivate your heart.